lot of people are asking for supplications and remembrances, adhkar, that they can make for spiritual protection. The Prophet ﷺ, he said that whoever says in the morning 3 times and in the evening 3 times, Bismillahi alladhi la yadurru ma ismihi shay'un fil ardi wa la fis sama' wa huwa as-sami'ul alim. By the name of Allah, who does not allow anything to harm alongside the mention of His name, and He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing. Whoever says this 3 times every morning and every evening, they will not be harmed by anything.